What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Netspend account. Now before I show you guys how you guys can log in into your Netspend account, let me tell you guys what Netspend is. Netspend is a prepaid gift card preparing company. If you guys have used other companies' gift card like Amazon, Best Buy and other stuff, this gift card is similar to that, but it creates prepaid Visa gift card. Since Amazon's gift card only works in Amazon, but Netspend's gift card works as a Visa card, alright? But you can't load money into it again. Once it's finished, you need to throw it away. So that's how this works, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into its account if you guys have one. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is search for Netspend and click on where it says netspend.com over here. It's gonna take you to its official website. Once you're over here, click on where it says login. Once you click on login, it's gonna take you to the login page of Netspend. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the username of your account and then the password of your account. After you do that, click on where it says login and you should be able to log in into your Netspend account if the username and password you enter here is correct. If it is incorrect, you are not going to be able to log in into your account. So make sure to double check and enter the correct information here. Alright? So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And have a nice day everybody.